Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. In today's video, I just want to share or to analyze the market with a true CMC or beyond CMC trading styles or whatever, comparing with our system to continue educating you guys to how simple our system is and how easier it is instead of it's very tiresome to analyze charts each and every day from this time frame to another time frame. But we want to see how accurate our system is and how it saves your time and a lot of stuff that you can do through or with our system. So let us begin. Let us pick any of the pair. Let us pick okay, we can pick the GPP JPY here. And let's analyze market according to what I shared with you about how you must, first of all, to identify how to draw higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, and higher highs to make sure that you have the full information or you have full knowledge of the market structure. And this is why we'll be taking people through, or especially on our VIP, to show them the secret and our entry point after identifying the higher lows or the lower lows or the market structure and how our system makes things easier. But in this video, I'm just going to prove it in a very simplest way. And let me say, for instance, let us start with our high highs at this point. This was our last lower low, our last higher low. And the reason why this is our last higher low, let us analyze this market. There was a break of structure here. Whenever there is a BOS, that is when we get our higher low, and it was supposed to be here, but we go for a higher point, which is here. And now, because you can see now, we were waiting for the market to break the first inducement. Remember, we must have the reversal or internal structure, and the market went on, and you can see we have it here. And the moment the market broke this our inducement, or our first inducement, or our last inducement, sorry, the last inducement, that is when we get our higher high. All right, guys, then the market continue with an up trade. All right, guys, so we said after getting the higher high, the next thing you are going to check, you are going to wait for the market. After getting the higher high, the next it will be a higher low. So, and we get the higher low the moment the market will break, our last higher high. So the moment the market break our higher highs, that is when again we will get our higher low, and it is supposed to be at this point. It is supposed to be at this point, but we'll set it on a higher point, which is that area. So remember the second things, we will wait for the market to break the first or the last inducement again, so that we can get our next higher high. And you can see our inducement is here, and it was taken out because the candle or the body closed below our inducement at this place. Then from that moment, we'll get our next higher high. You see, that's how simple it is. I do believe you have been following our video for classes, TFX classes now. And it's good to have the system so that you can join us on our VIP, because we want to share how we enter our trade and how you can do professional scalping, long trade, short trade in simple or in a single time frame. So you can see here, I do believe for those people who the SMC traders, this area, I do believe it was a POI, or let us move to this area. Nope, it's very far. It's very far, this area. The history won't get there. So this, how will you know that this is an entry point? All right, because you can see we can just in a simplest way draw them as a higher high, higher low, and higher high. Then we are waiting for the market again to break this area in order for us to get our next higher high, lower high, higher low, sorry, and so on. So let us go to our system and see how, if our system can confirm this, which currency is this, GPP JPY. Let us go to our system here, GPP JPY, and let us go to 4 hours time frame and set our system there. Absolutely. This is what I'm talking about, guys, and I just want you to confirm this area and this area and this area. The same area we draw our higher high, the higher high, our last higher high, higher low, and higher high. When we go to our trading view, it is the same thing, higher high, higher low, and our next higher high. So it makes things easier for you because, as you can see here, this is a higher high, and that is when we enter the market. This is where we enter the market also after confirming even our candle formation. And here there was another buy. I don't want to reveal it. There was another buy here, and I will tell you why. This is not just a buy because I have drawn it here. There is a secret why we say this is a high, our buy position. And someone will think, yeah, so it's the same with the SMC. We say it's more than SMC. This is our POI. This is our point of interest area. All right, guys, it's very simple. This is where we'll be taking our buys. And we have our areas again where we'll be taking sales, because after the market hitting this area, we know where we'll be taking sales. So here, it is our 50-50 area. This is the engineer, and this is the extreme. All right, extreme area, engineer, and also our 50-50 area. So, and here you can do scalping, here you can do short trade, here you can do a long trade. So let us analyze also the GPP card here and why we entered this market, and we set our stop loss here. And we are very confident, even if they can hit our stop loss, we'll manage, because it is almost, this is engineer area. This is an engineer area. Let me show you. This is the engineer area. Let me draw it professionally. We must make it clear. You can see this is our engineer, this area, that candle. You can see it there. And it was mitigated, whereby we are anticipating that if the market can break here and hit our stop loss, this is why, whether we are in an engineer, we can't just set our stop loss here because this is an extreme area. No, let them take a small money, but we will revenge, or we will get our money back after hitting our the POI. And this is the point of interest here. It's a very high point at this point. So our next entry will be here, and the stop loss will be above here. And you can see also our system has already drawn the area to show us this is the point of interest. All right, guys, where now you can take another sell and set your stop loss here or here. Then you can take this market professionally. And our stop loss, we are waiting our stop loss in a 50-50 area, whereby also we'll be getting into a buy position, because this is where I told you our strategy, you can buy and sell at the same time, according to how we analyze on the market after revealing every secret on our VIP. It's very simple. It is not tiresome, because the system itself will do everything for you. So you can be able to identify the extreme area without going to any of the time frame jumping here and here to confirm here if it is a higher high and a higher low. So let us go to our trading view, and which currency is that? GBP card. So let us analyze here again about the GBP card, because it is very, very important to understand about this market. So again, let us take this area. As you can see, this is a POI area. All right, guys, this is a very strong area, and we are not just taking it or using our naked eyes and say, oh, this is the POI area. No. We don't do that. We analyze the market in a corrective way, so that we don't just say this is the PY because the market mitigated this area severely, or it is a strong resistance, or it is a supply zone. Yes, it may look the supply zone, but we must confirm with our secret. If the market will break this area, we know if this market will break this area or will not. Why? Because I told you, the market can confirm your strategy. If the market confirm your strategy, then you don't have to say this is a supply zone because people are calling it supply zone. To you, yet it's a supply zone, but does the market confirm anything here that shows that we'll have a pullback or a strong reversal? Why? And that is the secret that a lot of people, they don't understand. This is why we say we break the rules of saying that this is an uptrend, all right? Saying that this is an uptrend. And when the market goes against you, you will start finding that people will start saying, oh, my friend, that is when we know that it is a big leg. What is that? A big leg in the market is something like this one here, and maybe here and here. But unfortunately, they do that when their point is not clear. And in our last video about how to identify higher lows and lower lows, part 1 and part 2, we showed you guys never break the rules of the strategy. If you don't break the rules of the strategy, market will always confirm your strategy, and more than 80%, nothing is 100% because a lot of stuff happening in the market, but having a system or having a trading skill that gives you 80% of the winning, you are good to go in Forex market. That is why our system is more than 90% accuracy, because it saves your time from drawing these higher lows and whatever. And maybe you don't know exactly, maybe it will take you time. That's why we say have our system, join our VIP, so that you can watch the videos, you can learn our video courses from part 1, continue like that, so that it can be easier for you. But you earn through our system as continue learning, so that if it will ever come a day that these people say there will never be an indicator, that we don't want to see any indicator in our there's some brokers say they don't agree with those people who use indicators. They don't allow people to use indicators in their platform. Then according to what we are trading you guys, you can trade even without indicators. But as long as your broker allows the indicators, this is why you are supposed to make things easier. You are supposed to make things easier using our system, so that it can identify the real zones that you're expecting to sell or to buy, and to avoid any minor structures, but to go to medium or the major structures that will give you profit. So this is the best thing with our system. As you can see, this area we're expecting to sell this market today, and if they hit our stop loss here, trust me, we will recover our money from this area before market comes to this area again, continue going up. We'll see if there will be a break of a BOS anywhere, so that again we can buy that market. So it's very simple. We lose one game, we win 3 games, or our take profit should be more than our TP, our stop loss, not because of where we want to set, but exact area where we're expecting also to buy. So we set our TP where we're expecting also to buy. It's very simple. and simple like that one. Every secret we will continue sharing on our VIP. So let us go back to this market again, and because it is good to remind you what is going on. All right. So we are going to start with our higher high and our higher low at this point. And after the breakout, or after the break of structure or BOS, after BOS at this area, that is when we got our last higher low, sorry. And then we waited the market to break our last inducement. Our last inducement is here. Then so that we can get our higher high at this point. All right, guys. This is our next higher high. Then we continue. We were waiting again the market to break this level so that we can get our next lower higher low. Then the market came and break this level, and this is where we say this is now what people say the change of character. The change of character, don't get confused. We don't say the change of character because the market has break any inducement, first inducement. So that for those apply any, I do believe if you stick in one strategy, I don't say their strategy are not working. No, I'm not criticizing anyone. If you stick in any of the strategy and give your full attention into any strategy in Forex market, if it is not the fake one, trust me, you will bank. For those people who say that when the market hit your POI and maybe break your first inducement, that is the change of character, I still agree with you guys, because those are the most important things to know, to understand the POI, to understand the supply zone, demand zone, order blocks, any of the stuff that you confirm. I still agree with you. Everybody talks with what works for him or her. So what I'm telling you, if you stick in this strategy, this is beyond SMC. That's what I can say. I'm not saying it's beyond any other instructor outside there. I'm saying it is beyond the SMC or the ICT. So all you need is to pay attention and to stick in one strategy. And the next, we make it easier by having the TAFX, MT4 or MT5 manual system. And don't forget, we still have the EAs that trade the exact. So it's up to you guys. Now, we saw that the market break this area, and this was the BOS. So after the choke, after the choke at this point, we were waiting again for the market to break now inducement. Now we are going to check inducement here because of there is a change of character. If the market is uptrend, we were checking the the break of inducement from the higher highs, all right, in order to get the higher highs. But now because there is a change of character, we are going to wait here at this place, the break of inducement, which is at this area, so that we can get our first lower low at this point. So again, you can see, what are we waiting for? Now, at this point, we'll be waiting for the market to break again this area so that we can get our lower high. Because don't forget, we have a change of character here. Rules are rules, and I told you never break any rules. So having the change of character there and the first break of inducement, this is why we get our lower low. Then we were waiting for this market to continue selling to break this area. Then we can get now our first lower high. But unfortunately, the market is still going up. So at this point, again, we can wait the market to break this area so that we can continue going with an up trade. And in a scenario like this one, most of the time, you will find that the market is creating what we call order flows. Let me zoom these areas. The best order flows that we identify in the market, it is this small reversal, then market continues, more reversals, continues, more reversals. These small internal structures that the market create and continue going up or down. These are the best area to draw your order flow. All right, guys. Now, at this moment, some will tell you now, because we are inside the structure, because our last high is here and we have our low. We don't know exactly where this market is going. But according to our secret, there is a lot of opportunity in this market. This is why we told you, we broke the rules of saying this is an uptrade, this is a downtrade. Market does not respect that, because you can see after the change of character here, the market went up. All right, guys. And some will tell you that this is a sideways market. This is a sideways market. If you start drawing the patterns here, you start seeing the patterns here. All right. So it can get you confused, because you don't know exactly which is which, where is the trade of the market, where is going. Then, you know, this is why you need the secret of this market. And as you can see at this area, this is our engineer zone. Let me zoom so that you can see why I'm saying this is engineer. You can see our last candle here. We can draw it perfectly at that point, right? And this is our extreme area. All right, guys, this is our extreme area. So this is why I'm telling you, our system has already drawn this as a engineer and this as extreme. Let's go back there and see. This is an engineer. You can see there is a yellow dotted. Let me zoom so that you can see it correctly here, because it is our engineer, and we have our extreme area at this point. It's already there. So you don't get tired for coming and start drawing them here, but you can just have a trading view to confirm the system until you break your doubt and start using the system professionally. So this is the engineer and this is the extreme. So we have it, we have a good entry at this point, and we are going to bank this money without fear. And even if they hit our stop loss, trust me, we will recover our money. So it's all about, if they hit your stop loss, you will recover with the same pair on your extreme area. All right, guys, it's very simple, because when trading, you can pick any trade or any currency. Oh my, I think here there is another entry here. Yeah, this is an entry, and this is a live account. Check at this place, my friend. This is a live account. This is not a demo account. And here there is a good entry. Wow. It's a very, very, very good entry here. The best thing with our, let me sell with this. With the best thing with our system, you can just sell, all right, and click modify sell. Set our stop loss there. That's where we are supposed to set our stop loss. Our TP also should be here, right? Thank God I got the entry. Then you modify so that the TP can come here and the stop loss will be at this area. It's very simple to use this system. So our stop loss is already there. And here, so, oh, let me check, because I'm in the live account, not demo account. So let me check if we can get another entry in front of you guys. That already it has gone here, to see if we can get another entry here, so that we can take it as we continue with the classes. No need to waste opportunity if they are there. All right, we get another one here. Let me analyze this market. Yeah, this is engineer again. This is another good sell here, Euro USD. This one, because it, this is another good sell. We have a trade line. Oh my, let me first of all take this trade, guys, as we continue with this class. Let me set my sell there. Modify sell, set your stop loss there above our stop loss. I think here market can create an order flow because there is an order flow here. So let me just set that stop loss there. TP, my TP here is still okay. All right, okay, guys, as we continue with these classes, allow me to, first of all, it's still in the morning, let me check if there is an entry so that I can get this in your presence, guys. That one, I'm not sure because it didn't hit our area. Oh my, there was a lot of opportunity today, guys. Well, I wish I entered this market earlier. There was a good opportunity. This one I can use 0.4 sell. Let me use modify, wait for the screenshot, my friend, on our Telegram. Yeah, let's where here. Let's set our TP here. Modify sell so that our TP can come to that area. It is automatically to set your TP and stop loss live, because this is a live account, it's not a demo account. Please let me pause and check if there is some, or I can continue so that you can learn how to take trades. It's very simple. You can learn how to take trades, my friend. Direct. I don't need, you can see there was a good opportunity here and sell on already. It's almost to our TP because the TP should be here. Right, this is for doing scalping. You can see you don't need to do a lot of analysis. It's very simple. Here there was in this morning, I think it was a London hours, there was a good and hit our TP here already, and the market is going up. Wow. Let us see if there is another entry. Oh my goodness. It's another entry. This is an engineer area. I can't waste this, my friend. Even if I'm in class, let me take these trades again. Sell, modify sell, set your TP there, stop loss there, and here, then you click again, modify sell. So let that trades be enough. No, there is a time you will go without entries, guys. So it is good to check if we still have other opportunities, and always apply money management. It doesn't matter how big account you have. You see, guys, there was a lot of opportunity this morning. Oh my, almost to our TP. The TP should be here, right? The TP should be here. This one, it has gone far. I'm not going to take that one. But this tells us there was a lot of opportunity today, a lot of signal. This is why I told you, don't just jump in small time frame and say, oh, my friend, I want to do scalping. What is scalping? What is scalping, my friend? What is scalping? Are you scalper, or are you a money maker? Are you a money maker or a scalper? It's not the scalping that makes money. It is the strategy that makes money, not the scalping. Yeah, there is a scalping, long trade, short trade. You can do that. The scalping is hit and run strategy. So you can see how opportunities were here in this market. Oh my, let me, so if I can take this trade again. All right. I think even this one also I can still take it. And ZDD card. That's gone far. I won't take for big lot. So modify sell. Set your stop loss here above, your TP here, and wait for the bank. Okay, so let us stop there. And I do believe now, I thank God, by the end of this video or by the end of today, I will have something to bank. We have another one here. Let me confirm this again. So, oh my, we have another one here. Do we have a dotted blue here? Yes, and it has closed at this point. What am I waiting for? This one. This one I can use 5, my friend. Let's buy this trade. Let's buy this trade, modify buy. Set your stop loss here below our dotted. And this one, This one will buy long. After the break off here, this one will buy long. Let me set a TP here because we have imbalance. There is an imbalance here and there is a confirmation of a buy here. So we just modify buys in order to get stop loss here and our TP here. It's simple as that. So that's how we make money, guys. That's how the system, how simple it is. And you can check I'm in a live account and I don't have fear when trading this because I know what I'm saying and I know what I'm doing. The system make things easier, very, very, very easier. And to learn about this system is not hard. It's very easy. This is why I'm sharing the light. So let us wait for the money now to bank in my account. So guys, that's how it is. And that's how we'll bank our money today. And this is how the system, it's how simple it is to indicate the higher highs and the higher lows and to show you the major areas where you are supposed to take the trades. And I will share more lights and secret on our VIP when and how to get these trades. We cannot expose everything, but what I'll be sharing in our YouTube viewers or anybody who is viewing this video outside there, will share with you how to identify those exact higher lows. We have shared those video. Wait for the video for inducement and the other ones for other stuffs that you are supposed to read before taking trades. But how to take trades, how to do scalping, how to do long trade, the secret will be on our VIP. So you only need to get our system. If you don't need our manual system, you can get the EA that trade the exact, then that is the Alpha Gold. We have the Pip Santa. Then after there, you can get full course for free on our VIP. So allow me now, because I do believe now I've shared a lot. If you want us also to analyze this market, we can go, this is a USD CHF, we can go even to our trading view and check for this USD CHF. Where is this USD CHF to confirm, because it is good to know that why our system is that simple and accurate. We have taken our buy at this area, all right guys, because this is a 4 hours time frame. So let us see if we were to draw our higher highs and our lower lows. This market was an uptrade, and you got that this is our last higher low at this point, all right? And you can see the highest was here, and because the market dropped along, this is our last higher high, all right? And the highest point, remember, it was here, all right guys? Then the market break this area, you can see, and after there breaking this area, that's where we got our higher low. The highest point is here, not here. Then from that area, we were waiting for the market to break an inducement so that we can get our next higher high, which is this one. And don't forget, here there was a choke to show that there will be a down trade, all right? No, sorry, it was not a choke. It's just a break over, it's a BOS, so that we can continue with a bullish market. So where we expecting a choke, it is this area. Now, where is our engineer? This is our extreme. Where our higher low is, there is where our extreme is, all right? And you can see this is our engineer, where the market came and mitigated our engineer, and this was our 50-50. I want to get it correct. Where, sorry. Why is this 50-50? Remember, I told you, you must check the cause of this breakout. Let me show you here. You must check here the cause of this breakout, which is this zone here. This is the zone here at this point. Let me zoom so that we can draw it. Which one is the last candle here? This body here, but we can take this now as a order flow because market consolidated at this point. So this one can be our our order flow area, whereby the market consolidated, all the candles are here. So this is a small area. So this was our 50-50. The market hit our 50-50, and again, and there was a sweep of liquidity at this point, and they swept people's stop loss, and after there, the market continued going up. Then the market came to our POI, then to our engineer. After our engineer, you can see the candle. This is our candle. I will teach more about this candle with long wick up and with the body, mid-low body here. I will show you about how to read this candle. It's very, very, very cool. All right. And this is our extreme. So we know if this market can come and hit our stop loss, because our stop loss is somewhere here. Our stop loss is somewhere here. So if they hit our stop loss here, we will enter that market at this point. And if that market must come and reverse into this area, then we will cover our stop loss. That's why we took that buy. So it's very simple because you can see we have how long it has taken us short to analyze this market. But when you go to our system, it's very simple. You will see everything. It is there. You just take trades according to the system and the secret that I will show you, because you must see them nakedly. So guys, that's how it is. And now I think that is the end of this video. See you in a next video. And thank you so much. And welcome to TFX family. Thank you.